Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, I just wanted to say the reminder once again that guys, I have officially launched our Crypto ZX official Telegram group chat. It's free. Come join the group chat, guys. Link in the description box below. We just have a good time there, just talk crypto and just have a wonderful time. So come join and say hello, and let's make this community one of the largest communities out there. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.56 trillion. We're down 14.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.3%. Looking at the overall markets, we're seeing a sea of red right now, guys. Major bloodbath across the board. Bitcoin was unable to hold around those levels where it was yesterday, and I did say, guys, this is not confirmed. This is not confirmed that the bottom is in. We need to see the next 24 hours to 48 hours to play out, and that's exactly what happened, and it was unable to hold, and I believe that was definitely a fake out, and it was whale manipulation at its finest. But we will deep dive into the charts of Bitcoin and see what actually happened. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently sitting at 10 cents. It's down 23.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 12.9% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 20th spot. Market cap right now is $6.5 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Vechain is up in just the last year alone 2,137%, and in the last 30 days we are down 61.8%, obviously because the entire market is down. It's just not Vechain, guys. The entire market is down right now. But overall, if we do look at the bigger picture, guys, in the last year alone, Vechain is still up 2,137%. But you know what, let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But before I begin, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and that is, Uphold posted this. We heard you. It's time to get to the bat. Please welcome Vechain to Uphold. Vechain is a native digital currency for the Vechain Enterprise blockchain, which focuses on supply chain management. So this is very bullish in my opinion and exciting in a way. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on. So I already have the Fibonacci retracement level pulled up for you guys, and so we can get a better picture right off the bat. So if we're looking, Vechain it went below this level of support, guys. It's this level of support which is a very crucial level of support for Vechain, which was at that 10 cents mark. We have just broke below it right now, and we are heading towards even lower prices. And you may be asking, Crypto ZX, why is this happening? This all ties to Bitcoin. You guys know me, I always say this. I might sound like a broken record at this point for you guys, but I always say the entire crypto market follows Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not having a good time recently, especially in the last 1 week. First, we had that Elon FUD that came out where, obviously Elon Musk came out and said Tesla will not be accepting Bitcoin anymore due to environmental issues, blah, blah, blah. That created a lot of panic across the board. And then right after that, we had China FUD come out, and, that created a lot of panic once again. So these two bad news came out, almost near to one another, and that has created tons of panic across the board. And I believe, the whales are taking major advantage of these news that have been coming out. China FUD, to begin with, guys, has been a thing for the longest time, especially to all the OG crypto investors. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. This China FUD has been here for the last couple of years, guys, and it's no difference now. And obviously newcomers coming into the markets, this could be a very scary time. And you know what the whales do? They love taking advantage of these kind of these kind of news to occur to create more panic so they can buy more Bitcoin or altcoins at a cheaper price. So Bitcoin went down, had a very rough week, and obviously the entire market has followed Bitcoin right off the bat. And right now we're sitting at 0.0917 cents, and we could even fall further down and maybe even see this 5 cents level. If that happens, guys, that would be absolutely mind-blowing, and that would require Bitcoin to have a major crash. And we will deep dive into the Bitcoin charts right now to see what's exactly going on with Bitcoin. And yeah, let's jump into Bitcoin's price and see what is going on. Then we will come and talk more about Vechain. So if we're looking at Bitcoin's price, I was I made a video yesterday around this level, guys. I did say you guys can go watch my video right now, and if you guys want to get a better understanding and proof in a way, I said even though we're sitting at $41,400 level right now, I am not convinced. I'm not convinced that the bottom is in, because I would like for us to get back above 43,000 at least, guys, at least above $43,000 and trade sideways around there. And then I will be have a better understanding that the bottom is in. But as of now, I did say around here, I was like, bottom is definitely not in, and we need to get above this for me to have a better idea. And guess what happened, guys? Boom, Bitcoin decided to say goodbye, and we are back below this level of support at that $36,000 level, guys. We are below that once again, and we could even possibly get back below 30K once again, and I did say that in my previous video as well. So Bitcoin is not looking good right now. It has definitely a possibility to get back down to this $30,000 or even below that $28,000 and have a double bottom in a way. And I believe if that if we do have a bounce back from there, then I believe we might see a bottom. But as of now, it is looking very shaky, and I believe there definitely could be a more downside for Bitcoin. I do not want to see this, guys, nor does anyone want to see this. Obviously, we want Bitcoin to stay stable and gradually move up. But guys, at the end of the day, this is cryptocurrencies, and you have to be prepared for such moves to occur. And for me personally, these kind of moves don't get to me anymore. I know when I was new into the markets, these kind of moves really got to me. It was a very scary time. So I do not blame any of the newcomers coming into the markets. It could be a very scary time ahead for them. But this is why I always say, guys, if you invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. And if you're in it for the long haul especially, your patience is needed, and you do not need to be looking at the chart 24/7. And your patience will pay off at the end of the day. But right now, whales are manipulating the markets 100% in my opinion, and I believe we could even see more downward side for Bitcoin right now. And I believe the next target could possibly be $30,000 or even below that to $28,000. And if that happened, guys, let's get back to Vechain's price. If that happened, guys, as bad as it may sound, we could, as bearish as it may sound, I'm sorry, we are in a bearish territory right now. But I do not believe that the bull market, is over yet. And I'll tell you exactly as to why. If you guys know me, you guys have been a follower on my channel for a while. You guys know I have been in the markets for a few years now, and I have seen bull markets before, and I have seen some major price crash during the bull markets, guys. So these kind of these kind of pullbacks do not affect me at all anymore. I just have the projects that I believe in long term, that have a vision, and that will be one of the biggest currencies in the next 3 to 5 years. I believe in them, and I just hold, and I just have patience. I'm just gonna hold. I don't look at them, and I'm just gonna have patience basically at the end of the day, which I always tell you guys, have patience, and always take profits. Always take profits, especially now. This is especially if you have too much profits you're sitting on now. Take profits, get them off the table, and you could use them for your personal use or do whatever with them. But you do not want to be kicking yourself after you see this kind of pullback, and you may have been sitting at such high profits, and you do not want to be kicking yourself over that. That's why it's very important to take profits. And the newcomers, this is mostly for you guys. So everything is right in front of us, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I keep it 100% realistic with you guys. I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to maximize your profit gains. So I just try to give you guys tips from the mistakes I have done, and I'm trying to share that with you guys, and hopefully you guys take some of these tips and actually implement them, especially the taking profits part. But as of now, guys, we're hovering around that 9 cents mark. Like I said, it's all on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin does definitely have a downwards potential, especially to that 30K or even below that. If that happened, we can definitely see more downwards movement for Vechain. And like I said, we can't really do much about it. It's all because of Bitcoin right now. If you have extra funds and you were looking to purchase Vechain at a cheap price, that may be your time. And but always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Projects like Vechain are here to stay. I always say that to you guys. These kind of projects, like Vechain, Cardano, Polkadot, Uniswap, these kind of Ethereum, Bitcoin, these projects are here to stay, guys. And I always repeat to you guys that we have 7,000 to 8,000 coins on cryptocurrency markets. 95% of them will fail. They will fail, but the projects like these with real utility, use case, and on top of that, they're bringing mass adoption to the crypto space, and also have big partnerships and some actual organizations using these projects technology such as Vechain, Thor blockchain, and implementing it into their into their companies, goes to show where these projects are headed. It's not just a coin, guys. These are proper projects, and they actually have strong fundamentals at the end of the day, and they are here to stay, and long term they will do very great in my personal opinion. And I do believe this is far from a big bull run. It's not over, I'm sorry. It's far from over right now, and I believe as soon as Bitcoin were to find a new zone where it can stabilize, I always have been saying that for you guys, once it does that, we will see altcoins pop off, and I'm very confident about that, but only time will tell. But as of now, we are our bearish sentiment is over the bullish scenario right now. So we could possibly see lower price movements for Vechain. I'm sorry to say, but you guys know I keep 100% realistic with you guys. But you guys do not want to be shaken out during these times. I always say that, so do not get shaken out during these times at all. But also I just want to cover one thing. That is that a lot of people are saying that China FUD will affect Vechain in a negative way. So I want to shed some light on there, and that is this: projects are approved in China. So only true crypto projects made it to the list. Vechain, which is a crypto project supply chain management service via blockchain technology. The other company to make it to the list, the Parallel GPX, which will offer crypto-based parallel delivery services. Vechain Parcel X, not Parallel. I don't know what I'm reading today. I'm sorry. Vechain Parcel X approval is great news to the crypto community, as it means that the two projects will be able to operate in China legally. So you guys can see. This kind of news is not going to affect Vechain, guys. And on top of that, I did mention earlier, China FUD has been in the markets for quite a while now. This is not new. Obviously, for newcomers, this is brand new news. But trust me, this has been in the markets for a long time, and I believe it's just another FUD to create Bitcoin to fall further down. But you guys know Bitcoin is here to stay. So is the cryptocurrency market. And crypto is the future, but only some of the projects will survive. I always say that. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update around this level for Vechain. Let me know your thoughts down below where you could see Vechain go at the end of the month. And I would love to know your thoughts down below. And also, guys, once again, come join the group. What's stopping you? It's free. Come join the group. Say hello. Let's build this community and just have a great time. Come on in, guys. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here, and stay safe out there, guys, because at the end of the day, safety is the most important thing. Family comes first, and health comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.